Presenting the AULA F68, which uses the latest AULA technology, comes with namely 3 connection modes, Bluetooth, 2.4G, and wired. All keys are of anti-ghosting. The whole keyboard supports hot swap, with complete configuration. The most eye-catching feature is the 65% layout featuring the rounded appearance. A large versatile knob in the upper right corner allows you to adjust your computer's volume and keyboard backlight with just one key. The keyboard adopts a soft elastic gasket structure and a sandwich cotton. The pad under the switch are standard. The bottom is filled with silicone pad, which feels quite comfortable. The keyboard also features 20 RGB light effects along with 16.8 million colors and music rhythms, making the whole keyboard exquisite. Finally, let us listen to the typing sound. Wow. Pretty good.